Lemonade Insurance has been gaining attention as a modern, tech-driven alternative to traditional insurance providers. But before you sign up, there are a few key things you need to know. While it might seem like a great choice compared to competitors, there are several factors that could impact whether it's the right fit for you. The first thing to understand is that Lemonade operates with a completely different business model than most insurance companies. Unlike traditional insurers, which often aim to make a profit, Lemonade uses a unique structure where it takes a flat fee from your premiums and uses the rest to pay claims. This is a refreshing approach, but it does mean that Lemonade's profits come from the difference between premiums and claims, so you could see some variation in your coverage. Next thing, Lemonade offers renters, homeowners, and pet insurance, all through an easy-to-use app. It's all digital, meaning you can manage everything from your phone. But keep in mind, this isn't a personal, human-driven experience. While that can be convenient, some people prefer the human touch in handling claims or questions, which you might not get with Lemonade's AI-driven customer service. The third thing to consider is Lemonade's approach to claims. They use artificial intelligence to process claims quickly, with the goal of paying out claims in minutes. While this sounds great on paper, it's important to remember that AI can sometimes make mistakes. If your claim is complicated, you might find yourself frustrated by the lack of human intervention. The fourth thing is that Lemonade offers low premiums, making it attractive for people looking to save money on their insurance. However, these low premiums often come with lower coverage limits compared to traditional insurers. If you're someone who needs more comprehensive protection, you might need to upgrade your plan or look elsewhere. Fifth thing, Lemonade is known for being environmentally conscious, with a portion of its profits going to charity. They call this give back. While this is a noble initiative, it's important to consider if your primary focus is getting the best coverage or if you're more interested in supporting social causes. If it's the latter, this could be a nice bonus. The sixth thing is their user-friendly app, which allows you to manage your insurance policies, file claims, and get assistance all from your phone. It's incredibly convenient, but it also means there's limited human interaction, which might be a deal breaker for some. Seventh thing, Lemonade does not offer all types of insurance. If you're looking for auto insurance or life insurance, you won't find it here. You'll need to look to other providers to fill in those gaps. Eighth thing, the claims process might not be as fast as you think. While the AI-driven system is designed to be quick, it doesn't always live up to the hype, especially for more complex claims. You might experience delays or challenges if you're dealing with a tricky situation. Ninth thing, one standout feature of Lemonade is the ability to adjust your coverage levels quickly through the app. This flexibility is a huge plus if your situation changes and you need to increase or decrease your coverage fast. 10th thing, if you're planning on bundling your insurance, Lemonade's offerings are fairly limited. While they do have renters and homeowners policies, they don't offer car insurance, which means you might have to go with multiple providers to get the discounts bundling offers. 11th thing, while Lemonade claims to offer affordable premiums, some customers report that their rates increase significantly after the first year. Be sure to check the fine print and understand how your premiums might change over time. And the 12th thing, Lemonade has received praise for its transparency and simplicity. The app is clean, easy to navigate, and gives you all the information you need up front, which is a big plus in the often confusing world of insurance. So, is Lemonade Insurance a good option? Overall, it's a solid choice if you're looking for a low-cost, digital-first insurance provider with an emphasis on speed and social good. But if you want a more comprehensive insurance experience with better coverage and human support, it's worth checking out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.